So my computer already has these programs installed, so we're going to get V's help to make sure that we can get Homebrew Node installed on our machine. You ready, V?
Yes, ready.
Okay, V, so the first thing that I want you to do is go to google.com and type in Homebrew. Okay, now you see where it says Homebrew, the missing package manager for Mac OS? Click there. Okay, and now you see where it says install Homebrew and there's that long code underneath? Copy that. Okay, now press Command Spacebar and now type in terminal. Press enter. Okay, now in the terminal, we want to press Command Paste to paste in that code. So Command V, and then press enter. We want to press return now, because it says at the bottom. When it asks you for the password, it's just the password that you use to set up your computer. It's like the administrative password. Homebrew is just installing a whole lot of back-end stuff. This is going to take a while, so you can just take a break here and maybe go do something else. You'll know Homebrew is done installing when you get back to that original terminal window. So the next thing that I'd like you to do is go to your terminal window and then type in brew install node. BREW space INSTALL and then node. NODE. And then press enter. So again, this is going to be another package manager. It's just going to take a while to install. You'll just be able to take a break and do whatever you want for now. While you wait, you might be curious to know, what are these things that I'm installing in my computer? Basically what you're doing is installing back-end libraries. I don't even know what they are. To be honest, like, they're very thick libraries of things that make it so that you can use JavaScript with your terminal. It's actually a really complex thing as to what exactly these files do, and you can spend hours reading through them. This tutorial is meant to make it so that you get to your software engineering rapidly, so we're not even going to cover that stuff. Okay, so now we know that we're done because we're back to this original terminal prompt, the one that we got when we initially opened it. So now, V, I'd like you to type in node space dash V with no space in between the dash and the V. And now press enter. And now we have Node installed. That's great. Now that we have Node installed, we can move on to the next portion of the course.